Bingo cleans up the toy box. Bingo played with toys all day long. Now the room is a big, big mess. Toys need a home, Mom said. That way you can find them next time. Bingo nodded and listened carefully. Bingo played with toys all day long. Now the room is a big, big mess. Blocks go here, cars go there, and the teddy bear goes in the middle. Bingo wiped his forehead and kept going. Bingo looked around and smiled. Wow, everything is so neat and tidy. Mom smiled and gave Bingo a big hug. You did a great job, Bingo. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.